Hello and welcome back, guys, to the second video in the series for demonstrating the capabilities of design extractor tool. Uh, so in the previous video, I already gave you enough background of what this tool is capable of and uh, what it can deliver to you. I'm not going to talk much about the tool itself now. Instead, I'll directly jump into the demo mode. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you the OCR capability, how you can include the OCR capability when you are trying to create a automation process for your text extraction need. In the previous video, we did that for text extraction. In this, we will see how OCR can be used. So let's quickly get into it. I'll quickly launch my tool. Okay, here it is. And I already have this process created and present here from the first video, and now I'm going to create a new process. This time I want to previously I did it for all the PDFs in a folder. This time I'll maybe do for one particular file. Okay. So OCR, maybe all pages for a given file. Okay, this is how I'm going to name my process, and this is the creation window. I'm going to include the OCR module. This time I'll not use text because I'm not going to use that base, and for a given file, right? So let me go to my sample PDF folder, and this is the file for which I want to run the process. And before I do that, let me open this file and show you. So this is entirely an image, right? Nothing, no text here. So entirely an image PDF, and you'll see how this text will be culled out of it and will be given into you in a text file format. So we close that. I'll quickly copy the path of this file so that I can use it. So now I'll say double click. So I want to do it for a specific file. So I will do named PDF and I'll give the path here, always without the code. So all the paths that you give here should not be in quotes. Okay. And say, okay, now this got added to my process as a child node. Now next step I'm going to do is I'm going to extract, apply the OCR on all the pages of this particular document. So I'll use this OCR all pages. So double click on it. This got added here, and I'll simply give the output location where I want the output to come, and I'll give it here, and I'll say save. That's it. This process got added here. I can close it, and later on, whenever I want to do it, I can come here, right? Else I'll just for now I'm just going to run it directly. So I've selected this process. I'll say run, and let's give the OCR engine some time to work its magic and give us the output. Okay, so it's already there. So now you see this is the file for which we did it, and it created a folder with the name of that file, and here this is the text extract. So if I go to the PDF and open it and show it to you once again, it has only one page, as you can see, right? And everything is image here, and starting from here, if you see, this is somehow has got identified as NO, but then you can ignore it. Then whatever you see is the extracted text from the image, right? So this, here, things like this. Okay, so this is it. This is how the OCR functionality can be used and can be added to your process and can be used later. And these are all processes, right? So don't think of only one PDF file. But if I have to use it, how I'm going to use it is probably on whatever PDF files I receive on a regular basis, out of which I want to read data out. I'm going to put everything in a folder and create a process for all the PDF files in that folder. And then whenever I run that process, all the PDF files will be scanned, and the necessary information will be extracted from each of the files and will be given in their individual folders. So this is how this tool should be used. Okay, so this is it for this video. We saw how the OCR can be used. In the next video, we will see how the QR code scanning functionality can be used, and then we will cover the regular expressions. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for more such solutions to come. And I will be doing some tutorials also. So Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.